Amusement park. My name is Andresa Morte. I want to tell you something that happened a few years ago. It all started at school. The teacher told us we were going to the amusement park. It was a sunny day. I was happy that day. I got up very early, took a shower, brushed my teeth, organized my room, prepared my breakfast, ate as fast as possible. After that my father and I went very quickly to CECAR. He drove the car and my friends were waiting for me. After that we got on the bus. The teacher gave us the last indication which we should follow to avoid accidents. The school was far from the amusement park when we arrived. We bought tickets at the entrance. Before going to the games we made groups of 5 companions and a parent would be responsible for the group. My best friends were in my group: June, Peter, Luis, Mary, and I. Our companion was Luis' mother. Her name is Alejandra. The first game we went to was the Crystal Palace. It was so much fun to see the ways our body changed shape. After that, we decided to go to the car track, but we didn't know where it was located. Peter asked a guide how was nearby. He told us that the attraction was next to the children's maze and the middle of the carousel and the wheel. We went running, following instructions. On the way, we met other classmates. It was Ingrid Graf. She asked us, "Where is the Marine Bay attraction located?" Luis said, "This is located behind the Glass Palace." Ingrid said, "Thank you, Luis." We continued our way. We reached the track of the car. We followed the instructions and we made the line to start our longest for town. When we get into cars, our adrenaline spikes. I imagined that I was a professional pilot. I imagined that I was in a world competition with the best pilots. It was really fun to have been at this attraction. My friends and I were very happy to have lived this beautiful experience. Luis' mother asked, "Was Mary happy?" "She wasn't." Luis responded, "Yes, she was happy because she wanted to live the experience of driving a race car. She wants to be raised a car driver, did she?" "Yes, she loved this sport." Sometimes it is very important to go out and have fun laughing with our friends. is very pleasant. He was wonderful, and I am very grateful to my teacher and friends for sharing this beautiful experience with me. Thanks.